So, good morning, ma'am. This is the report of Group 16, the Magahat tribe. So, Magahat tribe, people who practice of killing. Magahat is derived from Visayan Cebuano term, means niya is mupatay, kill. Magahat are called different names like kanang atiman or bugayman. These names are confusing and do not clearly explain. So, wala pa kami siya explanation kaayo. Then, for a long time, people were not sure if magahat kanang naril ba siya o separate sa ethnic group. Then, Dr. Timothea S. Oracion studied them and found that ang magahat daw kuno kay na-separate siya sa distinct group. So, they are their own cultures. Then, napo sila kagalingong social boundaries. They are different from Bukidnon who live near them. So, ang location niya, gitawag po na sila og kanang Atiman or Bukidnon. Resides in the mountainous island region of southwestern Negros Island in the Philippines. So, makita ni sila sa Negros Oriental, specifically sa around sa Santa Catalina, Bayawan, Shaton, and Tanjay, and parts of kanang Negros Occidental. So, ang clothing sa babae kay natawag siyang hablon, made with handloom using natural fibers such as abaca, then pina, and cotton. Then, second is sinamay. Kabante mo ng straw, made of kanang straw, ang kanang abaca fibers niya. Dayon, sepang, upper top and blouse. Dayon, hinimbis, lower garment na nila sa babae. So, sa lalaki na pudta, ang tawag sa lalaki nga upper garment kay supa. Then, ang lower garment sa lalaki kay busangyad. So, mo ni ang kuan sa babae. Then, sa accessories sa lalaki kay kanang amulet of ritual accessories. This is the part of tradition, headhunting, rituals, and spiritual beliefs. Dayon, they use specific items to ward off spirit. Dayon, with woven items, they create traditional crafts as mats. So, nagahimo sila og kanang traditional nga crafts, then mga mats, dayon mga kalo from local materials. Dayon, wild boar, tax animals, and horns. So, ang ginagamit nila ani traditional jewelry, dayon adornments. So, sa lagbat necklace, a type of necklace sometimes featuring, so, nana sila yung mga necklace nga ginakuha nila sa mga kanabitong mga patay nga mga hayop, kanang mga bukog niya, himuon nilang mga kwintas, mga wild boar, tas, used as an ethnic adornment. So, sa female na punta, muna gitawag og kanang baliog necklace. So, these are traditionally made from tiny colorful trade beads. Sometimes mix siya o kanang mga buto or mga ngipon sa mga hayop such as kanang crocodile or palm. Kivet, and historically small bells made using the lost wax method. So, protection bracelets. Muni ang magahat nga kanang magahat babayi nga magahat dayon muni ginasuot sa mga children, especially kanang bracelet kanang gabilib na sila kanang moda na ga protection sa ilaha sa mga sakit, sa mga evil spirit, mga bad spirit, mo na ilang ginabilib nga kanang mag-wear sila ana. So, traditional weaving. Accessories are often complemented by hand-woven items such as small pouch, mga bags, then mga coin purses made from tico grass. So, sa subgroup na punta, so, ang another name daw kuno, muni another name sa sometimes used for magahat. Ginatawag ni sila og atiman. dili ni sila separate nga group, pero ginapakita nila nga how outsiders label. So, Bukidnon, a neighboring indigenous group different from Magahat, but live nearby in the mountains. So, dili ni sila ingon nga same-same sa kanang Magahat, pero same sila kanang pamuyo nga nagpuyo ra gyapon sa kanang mga mountains of mga Negros. So, sa religion, so animism, belief nila is in a innumerable spiritual beings concerned with human affairs and capable of helping or harming human interests. Dayon, second is Roman Catholic. So, Roman Catholic tradition, like most strands of Christianity, affirm belief in life after death for everyone. So, the same ra pud sa ato mga Roman Catholic. So, ang language nila, so ang Magahat daw, kanang ila po ni sila nga Southern Binukidnon sa Central Philippine. Language strongly na-influence nila sa Hiligaynon or kanang Ilonggo man ang mga Ilonggo, mga Cebuano or Sugpuhanon. So ang example sa ilahang greetings kay good morning. It means ang tawag sa ilaha kay sa Hiligaynon ang tawag kay mayad nga aga. Second, sa Cebuano. Ang sa Cebuano, ang good morning nila, ang tawag po sa ilaha kay maayong buntag. So, diri na ta sa livelihood. So, ang mga kasagaran nilang mga kuan kanang panginabuhi is Sweden agriculture. O ni. Dayon, the Magahat, like other indigenous group, relied on shifting, cultivation, or kaingin. So, disimra ni sila sa previous nga mga mga tribe gyapon nga kaingin. Nga mo ni nga ilang sunugon ang yuta kay para mutambok ang yuta, tamnam na po nila balik. Para ang ilahang tanong is kanang tambok. So, sunod is dry upland cultivation. They are also cultivated crops, mga dry upland areas. Sunod is gathering. They supplemented their diet by gatherings, wild plants, and other resources from the forest. Dayon sunod is kanang paghunt nila. They are known to be skilled hunters. So, kanang maayo kay ni sila muhunt og mga hayop para mo kanang mostly ang uban kay makita na to nga kanang maayo kay sila muhunt og kanang mga hayop like mga reindeers, mga mga baboy sulok. Munay kuan po nila kanang source po sa ilahang pagkaon. Dayon, mga sa ubang mga salida na mga patay, tabunan siya mga pato. Then, gina-covered siya og kanang roof. Second is mourning period. The mourning period can last for a few days or several months to a year depending on the group.
Beliefs. Practice of killing. When a Magahat kills another due to the death of any family members, Mag-ahat is the act of killing an innocent person, extracted a thought form his sacrificial victim as Christian lowlander dumagat or banwahanan. Malaman, a bamboo betel chew container where a thought of Christian lowlander killed by Magahat is placed. Dili nila ibutang sa malaman ang ilang napatay nga kuan. For a thought of a Christian lowlander. Head hunting extracts a thought from his sacrificial victim to be used as an amulet for rewarding of spirits, cutting of the hands and feet of the sacrificial victim to accompany the spirit of the dead. Birth ritual. They take a bath in the nearest creek, river, brook, or spring, and they drink medical herbs mixed in boiled water. At night, before retiring, they prepare some leaves from sang, sangin, sangimi and tampukaw vines and places them over her abandonment. Rituals. Pamuhat. The term for ceremonies propitiating the spirits through prayers and sacrifice of food and drink. Pamalas, tribal wedding ritual. Harvest rituals, ceremonies to thank spirits and God harvest and tables. Healing rituals, performed by elders or spiritual leaders to cure illness or protect from harm. Protection rituals, done to keep the community safe from evil spirits or enemies. Ancestors worship, offering and prayers to ancestors and seek guidance. Life cycle rituals, ceremonies for birth, poverty, marriage, and death. Special occasions. Music, dance, chanting are often part of the rituals. So, ang makahat na asyay 5 ka products. Neto basket, fruits, coconut wine, honey, a sweet and viscous substance, and abakamat. Nito basket, a hand-woven basket made from nito vine and type of fern-like plant. Mao ni siya. Dayon, fruits. The sweet and fleshy product of a tree or another plant that contains seed can be eaten as food. Ni. Coconut wine, also known as tuba, is a traditional lightly alcoholic beverage made from the fermented sap of coconut. Ano siya ang tuba? Na siya tuba nga white o ganing red. Ay, orange pa siya. Honey, a sweet and viscous substance made by several species of bees, the best known of which are honeybees. Abakamat, a floor covering or decorative item made from the strong natural fibers of the Mosa textilis plant, also known as Manila hemp, a viscous substance, and abakamat. Nito basket, a hand-woven basket made from nito vine and type of fern-like plant. Mao ni siya. Dayon, fruits. The sweet and fleshy product of a tree or another plant that contains seed can be eaten as food. Ni. Coconut wine, also known as tuba, is a traditional lightly alcoholic beverage made from the fermented sap of coconut. Ano siya ang tuba? Na siya tuba nga white o ganing red. Ay, orange pa siya. Honey, a sweet and viscous substance made by several species of bees, the best known of which are honeybees. Abakamat, a floor covering or decorative item made from the strong natural fibers of the Mosa textilis plant, also known as Manila hemp, a type of banana tree native to the Philippines. Siya. So, festivals. Tawa-Tawa Festival, annually celebrated on the month of February. It marks of bountiful harvest in the city of Bayawan. Dances. Kinalasag dance, a dance using kalasag or shield. Kani siya. Muna yung shield. Bangkakawan. Fertility dance, a log dance where 6 persons dance around a log in synchronized movements until brisk tempo is achieved. Two men tap the log rhythmically, going near and away from it, while four women play a dance in rhythmic patterns using lamps or kahon. Titinukak, performed mostly by women and a few men over a vertically suspended dog. Movement of a small monkey as it jumps, climbs, hides, and seeks other monkey. So, dito na sa musical instruments. Tulali or flute. Vertically bamboo flute made in bagakay. Bagakay. Ano siya? Ano po? Suganggang, buzzer. Buzzer struck on the palm of the hand. Ano siya? Tikumbo, zither percussion is a parallel string tube zither made from bamboo and is found in the Philippines. Subing Jow's harp, a bamboo Jow harp, quite small with a resultantly high pitch. Gods and deities. Magbabaya, God of good, maano siya. Mangilala, God of bad, ni devils. Foods. Foods. Pinatos, type of steamed corn, sweet tamales. Kaya. Banay, dish made of frog cooked in a bamboo with coconut milk. Ano siya? Kanang frog daw, baki. Nga, gikook siya sa bamboo with coconut milk. Sinuglaw is an appetizer dish compound of grilled pork and fish. Budbod, a dessert made of cassava, sugarcane, juice, and coconut milk. Ani. Tinumis, a sour and spicy soup made with pork blood and various herbs and spices. It is spices dye. It is often served special occasions and celebrations. Ano siya? Tribal system of governance. They have their own culture and a customary law. They also have their own political system led by their tribe master called Dato. The Magahat governance is traditionally pat, pat, and centered around a few key figures who ensure the survival and spiritual well-being of the clan. The datos, council, and elders, and banga. Clan-centric, the basic unit of governance is the extended family. Houses are often built near rivers and streams, and several related families form sitio or settlement. Gender roles. While the dato is typically male, women, especially the wives of elders, hold significant informal influences, particularly in domestic disputes and the preservation of oral traditions. Education. The education of the Magahat tribe, an indigenous group in the Philippines, faces challenges like